Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with and the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what we have for Scorpios. Okay, the Chariot on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side, Scorpios. Okay, the Temperance. Both are the major cards. Temperance on your person's side. Most likely outcome is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so on your side is the Chariot, Scorpio. So you have taken control of the situation, want to move pretty fast. Okay, and this is action. You really want some action. And over here is the Temperance on your person's side. So this is a person who is trying to slow things down or moderate them. So maybe you want to rush in pretty fast. This person wants to take it slow. Perhaps because the most likely outcome is the Page of Pentacles. So I think yes, some sort of moderation is being achieved, but things are moving. There is communication, things are moving in a positive direction, towards a positively stable direction. So let's see, why is this Chariot here for Scorpios? Okay, we have the Knight of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay. On your person's side, we have the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Empress. Okay. Let's see, what is this Page of Pentacles here for? Okay, we have the Four of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Okay. So Scorpios, what I feel here is, we have the Knight of Wands. For the Chariot, we have the Knight of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So what I feel here is that you have taken control, and as I said, you are in the mode of action. You want action, you want things to move, perhaps move pretty fast, because with the Two of Swords, you have taken a decision. There was a time which required you to take a decision. Let me see, I'm drawn to this figure over here. And what I feel here is, see, what I feel here is that there has been a time in which you have taken a retreat. You were totally to yourself, taken time off, trying to balance things, trying to sort out things, and trying to make a decision. Okay, that was the time. Even though things were pretty confusing, there were so many thoughts in your head, there were so many things going on in your head that you had sort of a mental clouding also. But you took the time off, you took a decision, you sorted out things, and you balanced out things in your head, and now you are out of that seclusion, or sort of I should say that self retreat it was. You are now out of that energy, and now you are very balanced. So there can be some reason that you were in that energy, okay, but now the thing is that you are very happy, you are totally in a very chirpy, very vibrant, and in a very happy mood. It's like you just want to live life to the fullest right now with the Chariot, and that is why you are actually moving fast, because you are totally energetic, vivacious, very full of energy and enthusiasm. Okay, because you have come out of this negative energy, whatever it was which was holding you. You've taken the time, and now you are just full of energy, just wanting to live life to the fullest. And since you are in that vibrant energy, that is what you are actually wanting from life and giving to life also. Okay, your energy is a very beautiful energy, Scorpios. Very beautiful, dancing to the tunes, very empowered, very self-sufficient, enjoying life to the fullest. Okay, it's you. This energy is not dependent on any person's energy to fulfill you. It's self-sufficient energy, a beautiful energy. You've done a lot of work on yourself, Scorpio, whosoever this person is. Okay, and over here, this person, as I said, is moderating the things because you are full of enthusiasm, and that is what you are, just bubbling with energy. And this is a person who is just, okay, just take it slow, don't rush in, okay, it will be okay, sort of a person. Okay, this person is moderating that thing. It's not that they are not liking it, but the thing is, they are just, it's like someone more mature, more senior, and it is like a childlike energy, even if you're not a child. But the energy is, that vibrancy is like that of a child, that enthusiasm is there in you. And this is somebody perhaps even mature, at least mentally mature, trying to calm things down. Okay, you take it slow, it'll be okay, type of a person. Here with the Ace of Wands and the Empress, there is definitely a new beginning with this person, a beautiful energy. They also want the same thing, but they are a person who really take things slow. That is how they felt. It is stable connection. That is how they feel is a relationship which can be solidified. So this is the relationship which definitely they want a new beginning. They will have a new beginning, but they love to take it slow. That is how it is. So this is a person who is very stable, very committed. They will take it slow, but they will reach the destination. They will reach the destination. They will give you that fulfillment and that stability which you actually want, and they will tone you down also, sort of mature you, tone you down in a positive way. Okay, that is what it is, and it's a beautiful energy, Scorpios. Loving it, even this combination. And here for the Page of Pentacles, we have the Four of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. So over here, definitely a lot of emotions stirring in. With the Ten of Wands, this is talking about somebody who is done with this. Is, I think, you're picking up your energy, done with it, moving towards a new life, moving towards enlightenment. And with the Four of Pentacles and with the King of Cups, what I feel here is that again it is because holding a little bit back, moving things slow. With the King of Cups, a lot of emotions are there, but this person is emotionally mature, and the only thing is that they just want to take it slow because they feel it is the right way to take it. Okay, and that's nothing wrong with that. Seven of Wands, I saw at that time also. There is something in the Seven of Wands. Okay, anyway, I'll just see if it comes up again. Anything else for Scorpios? Okay, the Four of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is that with this Two of Swords, there was a time when this person with the Four of Cups was really lost, really disinterested in whatever is happening. But the thing is that I think the Nine of Cups and with the Six of Cups, this emotional satisfaction, this emotional fulfillment is coming in. And with the Six of Cups, it is talking about some sort of it can be reunion also for some of you. But what I feel here is it is more of aligning of the happiness, alignment of the happiness. To me, it's looking like alignment of the happiness. Okay, putting things together, putting things in a proper direction, putting things in a proper way rather than in a haphazard way. That is what it is looking to me like. Aligning, proper alignment of the cups, proper alignment of emotions, proper alignment of the practical things, putting things straight, putting things together, putting things in a beautiful way. Okay, so the scattered energy of the Nine of Cups, everything is all over. This is talking to me about the alignment. Okay, so it is putting a direction to the energy, you can say, because here you are bursting with energy, and this is a person who is going to align your energy in a beautiful way, alignment of energy and alignment of your positivity, alignment of the enthusiasm, so that it becomes more productive, rather I should say, more beautiful. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Scorpios. Spiritual connection. A relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. Number 27 or number 9 may be of some significance for you. So this is a lifetime connection not only from this birth, from previous births, if you believe in that, but it is a very strong connection, and it has to be fulfilled. in this lifetime. It is a soulmate type of a connection, if you believe in that. But whatever it is strong emotions for each other, and it is just a, you just complement each other beautifully. It's a beautiful combination. Scorpio, so happy for you. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.